to Beauty Help, also known as Asia Web. And in this video, I have a very special, important announcement for you guys, and I'm so nervous. But if you follow me on my Instagram, then you probably already know. So if you're not following me on my social media, you definitely should. They're linked down below. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and join our family because I have new content coming out for you guys every Sunday that ranges from vlogs to lifestyle to beauty and health. So let's just hop right into the video. So today is the day I will be telling you guys that I'm launching a business, and the business I'm launching is called Lips Hotline. Punch in the 1-800 Lip Care for your emergency dry case of lips, because we got you here at Lips Hotline. So yeah, Lips Hotline is the business that I am launching. Is right now a lip gloss business that I plan on expanding to lip oils and growth serums and body butters and body scrubs and lip scrubs and things like that. So it's all about, you know, things that make you pop and feel like you good, lip gloss and things like that. And so yeah, I'm launching a lip gloss company, a lip gloss business. It's called Lips Hotline. You can find it on Instagram at Lips Hotline. That's our IG, and you can find us on Facebook also at Lips Hotline, because you know, that's that. I even have a website I am launching with 7 glosses in one collection. So our first gloss is called Peppermint Plump. It's in a wand tube. It's a clear gloss with peppermint oils that help plump the lip, your lips, so you can have a little bit of a more plumped effect. Our second gloss is called Plain Jane, which is just a plain, it's just a plain lip gloss. It has no scents to it, and it's infused with avocado oil. Our third gloss is called Heat. Heat is a red gloss with has magenta metallics undertones to it, and it's not scented, but it's infused with avocado and jojoba oil, and it's also in a wand tube. We have our fourth gloss, which is called Paradise, which is infused with strawberry and vanilla scents, and it is also has avocado and jojoba oil in it, and it's also in a wand tube as well. And yeah, so those are our 4 glosses that are available in wand tubes. So we have 3 other glosses, which is a part of the nudity collection, which is a limited edition because I wanted to just, I don't know, I made it limited edition because I didn't think it was something, I didn't think I really liked it that much. I don't know, I just made it limited edition just to make it limited edition. So these next 3 glosses come in squeeze tubes. So we have Pop, which is a pop color. It's a pink coral gloss with pink metallics in it, infused with, of course, avocado and jojoba oil, which is great for lighter skin tones. And then we have our second gloss, which is called Reflex, which is an orange gloss with brown undertones with orange metallics. And then it's also infused with avocado and jojoba oil. And then we have our third gloss, which is Executive, which is a brown gloss. It's brown tinted. And all of these gloss has a tint to them too as well. So the pink gloss has a pink tint. The orange gloss has an orange and brown tint. And the brown gloss has a brown tint. And it's infused with avocado and jojoba oil. And it has brown metallics in it. And that's all the glosses that I'm launching with. And those last 3 glosses, Pop, Reflex, and Executive, all is available in the nudity collection, which you can get for $6. The nudity collection is just glosses that have a tint to them, but they can be worn or over top of lip glosses, other lipsticks, or you could wear them alone. So it's up to you. So that was my plan when I released the nudity collection. All glosses run for $2.50, besides our Peppermint Plump, which is $3. So yeah, and then you can get the nudity collection, which is Pop, Reflex, and Executive all together for $6. So that is a steal. So those is what I'm launching with for this launch. I really hope you guys would love to come support Lips Hotline and a business of mine, not only because we're a family here on my Beauty Health YouTube channel, but because I just want to give quality service to quality people, and I really feel like I feel like I can really do something with this. And people are probably thinking the lip gloss business is very oversaturated, and it is, but any business you start is oversaturated. So I feel like everybody can stand out in their own way. So if you guys do choose to support me, I love you guys so much, to the moon and back, and it would literally mean the world to me. I'm so nervous because I like never did a video like this. I don't know what to really talk about, but yeah, I have tons of things and ideas coming for you guys. So yeah, not even just for YouTube, but just for my lip glosses as well, because I'm still managing school and doing YouTube, and I have the lip gloss on the side. So right now I've been doing a really good job. Sorry for the noise out there, but I've been doing a really good job at just managing everything. So I'm a little proud of myself, but I'm also proud of you guys for supporting me and following me, and hoping make some of my dreams become true and into reality. And so that's really all I have to say. I will have the website link down for you guys. Lips Hotline is launching on February 10th. February 10th. So mark your calendars. Don't forget to follow our Instagram, and don't forget to follow our Facebook. But I really recommend following our Instagram, because that's where we're the most active. So yeah. So if you stay here so far, everybody who plans on supporting me, I have a code for you that you can enter and get 10% off on your order. The code would be Beauty Health in all caps, and you would get 10% off your order, and you can enter that into the website. It's a one-time use code. So once you use it one time, you can't use it again. But every time you buy a new package, you will get a special discount code for 10% off. So go ahead and support your girl. And if you do decide to support me, of course, send videos and pictures to Lips Hotline, or you can send it to our email, which is also going to be linked down below. But it's just lipshotline@gmail.com, because you know I'm very simple. No need to make it complex. So if you do decide to do that, you can send your videos either to us through DM, or you can send it via email, and we would tag you and post you on the Instagram page for supporting us, because of course we want to get the client's view and get you guys' feedback so we can make the business better. And yeah, that's really much all I have to say. Lips Hotline is coming to you very soon, so don't forget, mark your calendars, and I love you guys. We're just punching the 1-800 in lip care. Bye.